Chat, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the streams. How we doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? How is everyone doing? What's good? Zulu, Noodle Holtz. Wait, yo, my camera's not on every time. Scooby Chew, what's good? Noodle Holtz, Louis, Navanethan, what's good? Triz, how we all doing, chat? Welcome back to the streams. Good, Bronson, Ben, what's good? Cryptomaniac, JJ. Look at this 30-minute flipping right now. It's actually super clean. What's good? What's good? How's everyone doing, chat? Welcome back. It's good to see so many of you in here so early. Let's get it. Malenko, what's good? Chat, it's Thursday right now. What's good, Darius? Yeah, it's Thursday right now. We have a big day today. A lot of opportunities forming here. I'm excited to see what we can take today as well. I did take a win in early London with the Signals group, so that was a W. But we're obviously still looking for more here once London opens, etc. It's the banger songs on the intro. Yeah, what was the song? Oh, yeah, like, yeah, I know, bro. I can't do it. Copyright is going to get me. And I'm already fighting up a shadow ban as it is, so I have to stay strong on this one. But yeah, look, today we have retail sales and unemployment claims. So, you know, with that being said, it might be a good day in terms of volume later on towards New York session. But for right now in London, we don't have anything here. So let me do a quick breakdown and then we can get into it. There's a lot of opportunity today. So stay locked in, stay focused. And yeah, so on the weekly time frame, chat, you have just flipped and rebroke the high here, which is good for gold. I do believe realistically you've got room up until 27.11 as a minimum right now. Other than that, on the daily, again, same thing. Daily did close no top wick previously. However, I don't think that's going to be a too much of an issue here, if I'm honest. The 4 hour as well. Yeah, the 4 hour as well has got clean traffic up to 27.18 here. Probably might see a stop off at that 27.11 level. So I think realistically our target for the day is that 27.11 area. It's very, very strong, and that's obviously the daily level and the 4 hour level. Dropping to the hourly though, what can we see? I believe the hourly is going to respect a similar level, yeah. So that's the real key for today. As well as that, you do now have a closure above 20. What was? No, I was looking here. What's this? 26.99. Yeah, 2,700 basically. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. You do have a closure above there now. Let's put it up here a little bit higher at 26.99.4. Now you've. Oh wait, there's actually another level. Move it up a little bit. 2,700.9. If you can close above there on the next hourly, we can attempt some buys. To be honest, it looks very, very nice. But if you were looking at sales here, what would I look at? I'd most likely be looking at 26.93, somewhere below there. That should take you down to the bottom of the range. You have clean traffic down at 26.78 too. So yeah, you got a lot of opportunity if you do close below there. Otherwise, chat, yeah, that's going to be the analysis for today. For the day, it's very, very simple here. A lot of opportunity. You just have to wait for the setup to form. Once it forms, we're going to execute, obviously. But until then, let's just wait and see what we can get. Yeah, any closures above here, clean traffic all the way up to 27.10, retesting that daily level. Very, very easy. That's what we're going to look for, chat. But right now, obviously, with the 30 rejecting it, I mean, look, we'll have to see. If this is 30 flips, then you might be gone. But otherwise, we'll see what happens. Anyway, chat, hopefully that analysis makes sense. If it does, make sure to drop a like and all that good stuff. Otherwise, yeah. Hopefully you guys are good. How's everyone's day been? How's everyone's morning? What about yesterday? You guys catch? Yesterday was a good day for... no, actually, it was no trade day for me yesterday. No trade day. I didn't get anything yesterday. Because, yeah, it was just tough in terms of price action. But, yeah, we moved. What's good, Badog? How you doing, brother? Scooby-Doo, how much did the signals get? We caught 15 pips. Nothing massive. What's 7 on the flip of this 5 when it stops to be? Nice. Yeah, GG's, bro. Not bad. Wait, one sec. I need to just check something real quick. Where is... What is this? Alright, perfect. Cool, chat. Live was on 13:15, but why was that late? It was late because I was getting ready, bro. You don't want me to come on this stream without clothes on. Like, what? Nah, I had to take a shower and everything, so, I mean, it's always a little bit late. 2710 is a good target this London session. What's good, Sammy? Yeah, it is, bro. 2710 realistically is our, you know, ideal target here. That's also the daily level, like we said, so it will be tapped, but I think we will reject quite heavily off of it. So, yeah, I mean, look, yesterday we predicted exactly when we'd rip up off of, you know, the bottom wick, and now today we're I'm predicting 27.11. All right, that's my guess. Only had a trade on Monday. That's it. Nah, that's not bad, Noodle Holes. It's good discipline, brother. It's good discipline. Whole gang knew where to buy, but nobody had balls to buy it. Yeah, 100%, bro. Literally that. Like, everyone had an area at 77, and no one took the buys off it because it was so aggressively pushing down. That's funny, bro. Yeah, it is what it is. Can't catch them all, man. You can't catch them all. I took the buys at 79. Nice, bro. That's good. That's good shit. Not bad. Okay, 15 just closed here. Closed bearish back into this range. Interesting. 30-minute needs a top wick at some point, right? I expect it to come and make a... Yeah, I expect it to make a top wick, but... Let's see. If we can close above on the 1 hour, obviously it'd be great. Thinking of giving the signals group a try. What's the win rate like? How many trades are posted a week, roughly? That's a good question. So, let me just load it up for you. I've been slacking on my journaling recently, but let me just... I can actually show you. So, last year, for 2024, we had a win rate of... In the signals, if it's loading. We had an 87.2% win rate throughout the entirety of 2024. It's actually a bit higher than that because there's some trades that I haven't journaled here. Like the second half of December, I didn't actually journal it. Yeah, which is stupid, I know, but there you go. This year already, we've posted like probably how many trades? I want to say like 10 trades already this year in the signals, maybe more. Had quite a few, to be honest. But I'd say on average it's between 1 and 2 a day, to be honest. Sounds good, bro. Yeah, appreciate it. Ben's right though. The best thing about the private group is not necessarily the signals, but the course and knowledge you get inside. Yeah, I think so too. Like, you get my full course with it, so it's like completely, I don't know, it will teach you the whole strategy rather than, because it's that saying, right? You can teach a man to, well, no, you can give a man a fish, or you can teach him to fish, or some shit like that. I don't know. You know what I mean. Never Ethan, bro. I don't know what you mean by that, but yeah. What's good, Jay? How's it going, man? Hourly business, I told you. Yeah, the hourly is a little bit difficult. So if we can get this closure above, we will be good here, but it all depends. It all depends. 12 minutes here. Obviously, look. Wait. I have trades taken. I do. Let me take trades taken off. Hit that off. Obviously, we're going to wait for the setup to form. We might need to come back and grab a bit more liquidity before we actually do make a push up. But I stand by the fact that we should tap into 27.11 today. Just with the way the daily and the weekly is going, it makes the most sense. Especially look at the amount of liquidity the weekly did grab here. It would make no sense for it to reflip back down and continue down. I want to see this area up here get tapped as a minimum, to be honest. If we can stay here and re-break the 1 hour low after the close. Yeah, I really need the closure above 2700 though, or above 2701, right? I really need that close. That's quite important for me, because you have quite a strong rejection to the left here off of it. Like, this is very, very strong. And it's done it a few times as well. I'm pretty sure it's done it. Yeah, it's done it here and here. So you do need that closure. Also, chat, by the way, I'm going to be bringing out I have a new vlog coming out on Friday, which is going to be sick. But as well as that, I'm going to be bringing out a lot more like trading educational content again. So like a lot more of the long form talking, sit down vids. Basically just heart to heart conversations, pretty raw style. So that, you know, essentially I can communicate more with you, like what phases of trading I'm going through, you know, what experiences I'm having, what problems I'm facing, what successes I have, etc., as well as answering any questions and all that sort of thing. I think it's going to be yeah, I think it's going to be sick, to be honest. I'm going to keep doing more of those. Seska, what's good, man? Brother, I'd like to hear your name. My name? I don't have a name. Yeah, I've got no name. Heisenberg, crazy. That 1 hour looks like it might want to flip here. Great descendant of King Samuel I of his generation, related to some other royal families. Crazy. What's good, Raze? How's it going, man? Good, what's good? Yeah, chat. Tough one. Oh, I was trying to get my car map, chat. I was trying to get a full map on my car to put it to stage 1. Bro, and they just said they can't do it. How weird is that? But like, yeah, we don't have the technology to do your car. So annoying. I want it to be a little speedster. What's good, Nova Rise? How's it going, man? What year is it? 71. 71? 21. Go to some other tuning company. Yeah, this is a big tuning company though. What would the diff too for the drifts? Crazy. A 1.4 liter? Yeah, but it's a hybrid, right? So it's 1.4 turbo plus a like electric engine, which is why it's so quick. Would you advise to do the prop firm challenge or start to compound account with decent capital? If you have decent capital, then then why would you use a prop? If you have decent capital, then scale it. But if not, then, you know, use a prop firm. Like, it depends. Gotta map it more. I know. Alright, cool. Put some bucks in a live account, trade it, make money for a funded, and use them to buy a funded. Yeah, I think that's the move, to be honest. Like, if you can prove to yourself that you can make the money to buy a funded over a couple of months, then yeah, do that. Rajat, what's good? Welcome to the streams, my man. Chat, listen, 41 of you in here already. I appreciate it. Let's drop some likes if you can. Try to get to like 30 likes right now. 70 cents, a decent capital. Jesus. This guy. Yeah, 1 hour flipping here. You got 6 minutes left to the closure. Not ideal. Yeah, so we're flipping here. 30 minutes still has no top wick, which is really, really interesting. I think, to be honest, if you want to close below like this, I don't think we continue down. I think you most likely grab some liquidity from down here and continue back up. It doesn't make too much sense to reject where we are right now, especially on the daily and weekly. Although saying that, the daily did close kind of no top wick, so you might see like some form of a rejection here. I don't know, man. We'll see. See what it does here, chat, in about 5 minutes time. It was at 1:30 today and not 3 p.m, which is nice. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. It gives you a nice little bit of New York session. Yeah, 2 people at my gym now have come up to me and said, yo, I've been messaging you on Instagram or TikTok or Discord. And I'm thinking to go with your program. And I was like, I don't think I have been messaging you. And then it's been a fake account every time. Bro, 2 separate people that don't even know each other have been messaging a fake account of mine thinking it was real. I genuinely, like, I don't understand how people fall for it, but yeah, it's insane. FOMC next week, is it? Oh. Let's have a look, Cryptomaniac. Let's have a look. No, not next week. Week after? Yeah, week after. So 29th is FOMC. People not look at the check mark? Yeah, I don't know, bro. FOMC is 29th. Wait, someone sent 600k to a fake Brad Pitt. What? That's insane. Why would Brad Pitt need 600k? That is ridiculous. But fair play to the guy. Wish I was the fake Brad Pitt, trust me. What's good, Suskin? How's it going, man? Good, what's good? Crazy. That's insane. Like, he couldn't pay for it himself. Tinder swindler. Yeah, it actually is. Alright, chat. We're pushing back up a little bit here. 5 minute. Doesn't look good. Interesting, chat. Interesting. So, it looks as if we've rejected this push here. By the way, I'm sure she'll get the money back. Like, the bank will give her the money back, most likely. caught. Either one. Maybe Brad Pitt will give her the money back. Yeah, I don't know about that one. What's good, Lua? What's good? Okay, chat. 2 minutes here till the closure. We are starting to close back into the range, which is actually quite interesting. You probably should fill the range back down. Bro, you must be dizzy. Yeah, honestly, like, who would send someone that much money? I mean, it's generous, but very naive at the same time. Chat, we might see something like this, right? Where you see a closure back into the range and then a wick fill down. Oh, not a wick fill, a range fill, sorry. It's very possible. Every time you close into this range, you do fill the range down. But obviously, with the fact that we're probably looking like closing bullish, it's very difficult for me to take anything like that just yet. Yeah, pre-London might be the one as well. Pre-London might be the... Might be the move. Yeah, maybe I should start streaming a little bit earlier because it's so nice. Like, pre-London is such clean price action. But then also, like, I would say, when I move countries, most likely it's going to be somewhere with a time zone that's like 2+ hours ahead of the UK. So I'll be trading pre-London anyway, even if I wake up at the same time, you know? Which will be good. I'm really looking forward to that, to be honest. What's good, Max? How's it going? Good, what's good? 6 to 7 a.m. Yeah, I think maybe something like that. It's kind of too early for me still. I'm joking. It wouldn't be if I was in a different time zone. When are you moving? Next few months, hopefully. I had a call yesterday with one of the tax consultants in the country I want to move to. Get it all set up for me, like with them, but it's pretty expensive. I can't lie. Yeah, it's quite expensive, so it would be worth it though. I'd save so much money on tax, so I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, 1 hour closing here in about 10 seconds. 30 minutes bearish back into the range. 15-minute is also bearish, but weak bearish. It's very indecisive right now, chat. The 1 hour is bullish technically, so it's like weak bullish. Very, very poor price action right now. Nothing that I can do in terms of trading here. I really can't trade this right now. Yeah, just need to wait and see on this one. Where are you going? I'm looking at Cyprus at the minute, to be honest. Yeah, I looked at some cool places and it's very easy to get set up, especially for my girlfriend because she's from the EU. So like she can literally just go there whenever, but for me it's so difficult. It's so tough. The UK absolutely shafted us with that, to be honest. I'm leaving for Vietnam in a couple of weeks. Hey Siska, that's sick, bro. That sounds great. Sounds really good, man. You can go see FNAM. He's there now. Did you ever thought of trading silver? I read some info on it and they project silver to outperform gold, given the necessity of silver in medicine, technology, etc. I've seen that, bro, yeah. I've seen that silver's actually meant to be a really good investment right now. But no, not really. I mean, I prefer to stick to one pair. Saying that though, if you did want to trade silver, silver moves exactly like gold. Like, it's very, very similar. I've been watching it over a period of time. Silver and platinum as well. They both move quite similar. But yeah, no, I'd rather just stick to gold at the minute. It seems a lot more... Like, it seems a lot smarter for me to just stick to one pair. Oh, Brexit? Yeah, trust me. That's one of the worst decisions they ever made. I don't understand the difference in pips value. Yeah, I haven't looked into it that deep, to be honest, so I couldn't tell you. 2026, I'm gonna trade copper. Is that Cryptomania? That's classic. Irish as well. That means you're just gonna go steal it off rooftops or what? Take it to the scrapyard. And use silver for divergence with gold. Nah, yeah, I've seen people do that as well. Looking for silver last days. I have a new job in a few weeks. Looking for swing trades on silver. Nah, yeah, I'm not looking at it. He knows it. Potato USD. Trust me. Hilarious. Bro, how can this company not tune my car? That makes no sense. Good. How you doing, SG? Yeah, KB, I'm good, brother. How about you? How about you? Sorry I didn't say how. I was distracted. But yeah, what's good? KB, you've been crushing it recently. Let's see though, chat. So this one out's a little bit difficult. We'll see what like the 15 structure does, because again, we actually do have some good structure here in terms of like what we've been doing this morning. So you started to range, obviously, range in between here. Then you did actually come down and grab some liquidity from below, which you could call a liquidity sweep, right? And then you have a closure back above, and obviously, to me, that should have been the push up, but yeah, we didn't do that. So maybe we range for a little bit longer after grabbing liquidity from both sides. I mean, we'll see. There's a lot of opportunity right now, to be honest, but yeah. I typed potato into TradingView and there's a potato crypto farm coin. Yeah, bro, I know about that. People used to farm that. I want to see the reaction at the rebreak of the 1 hour low. Yeah, it's not a bad shout. I mean, realistically, as long as the 4 hours bullish after this close, we'll probably continue up here. But that's obviously in an hour's time. We don't want to wait that long. Realistically, I expect us to fill the range though right now after closing back into it. This guy, man. Any guys from California? And then ... wildfire. Let's see. I don't think so. Considering it's about 3 AM in California right now, I don't think anyone would be up. Okay, 5-minute push down, no bottom wick. Interesting. I don't really know why this 30-minute decided not to flip as well. Like, when I saw this closure above on the 30 bottom wick, if I didn't already take this trade here, I would have been probably looking at a wick entry on this 30-minute, but it just decided not to do anything. I don't know if it's just a fake out or if it's just because we actually made quite a big push this morning or whatever it is, but for me, there's no real reason for us to not push after, or at least not come and make a top wick on this 30. I mean, we'll see, chat. We'll see. But chat, listen, can we get to 50 likes on today's stream? Massively appreciate it. It really does help out, as always. You know, we're trying to grow the channel back again. Like I said, I'm making a real big push on content this year, so I want to provide as much value as possible for you guys in you know, as many areas as possible too. Imagine all the seed phrases that were hidden in houses in LA and got burned. Must be $1 billion or $2 billion lost forever. Nah, bro, they'll be in safes and shit, no? They'll be in safety deposit boxes or safes at the houses or something like that. I think they'll be safe. If you had a couple of mil in crypto, you're not going to be that stupid with your seed phrase. Which prop firm is the best? Is that Alpha Capital? Yeah, bro. So go to ACG. Use code SG as well. It's going to get you 20% off. So you're going to get a nice little discount right there. Code SG. This might be the low, to be fair, chat, though. Like, especially with the wick entry and now the fact that we respected the 30 low. 1 hour's now reflipped. All you need is the closure back above here and you should be good to go. I mean, look, we'll see. ACG. Now, ACG realistically are one of the best. I'd be interested to check out Bright Funded because obviously they invited me on that podcast, but I actually have never even heard anything about like their execution or anything. I think they might have actually, I don't even know, but obviously I'm not even affiliated with them, so I don't really want to say shit. Been using your SG for these prop challenges? Yeah, let's go, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, ACG I've been with since the very start, right? They've shown me a lot of love, so I have to, you know, respect that. And obviously, in terms of their execution and everything, payouts, all that sort of thing, I don't think I've ever seen anyone really have an issue. So, yeah, I mean that's the key for me, right? I wouldn't be showing you guys this if it wasn't if they weren't legit. Okay. 21 minutes here to the 30-minute close, chat. 6 minutes to the 15 close. This 15 can close back above, chat. I think we might have made another low for us to continue back up. Again, it's just market structure, right? You have the liquidity sweep. Let's talk in ICT terms. You have, what is it, accumulation in here, manipulation, distribution, right? But technically, I mean, it does work, right? You just have a consolidation period, a liquidity grab below the range, continuation back into the range and close above, and then a continuation towards the top of the next range. Very simple stuff, chat, but again, obviously you need to confirm the closure above before we can do anything. Sample sizing them. Why only caught 8? Yeah, so yeah, the Sky Dweller is the same thing. That's what I call it. SG, you said a few days ago that you only take one position a trade, no more second entries. Can you explain why and why it works better for you? Yeah, bro, I definitely can. So the reason why I don't average down into trades is purely for the fact that, first of all, we have a very high probability setup, right? Like all the setups I'm taking are very high probability. Why is this on break even? What is this? Like I'm trying to put my thing down, but it's automatically on break even. That's very strange. Anyway, but yeah, in terms of not averaging down, the reason is because I don't think that it's a valid thing to average down into good and bad, like, you know, sorry, into bad positions. Reason being, you know, if you're in a bad position, the likelihood is that you either read market structure wrong, or your entry was wrong, or, you know, one of a few things. If you're averaging down, you know, you already know that it's a bad entry because it's gone into drawdown, and essentially now you're worried about getting back to your break-even point. So let's say that, you know, we had an entry here, right? And you're suddenly thinking, oh no, the market structure is bullish. I don't know if it's going to come back to my break-even point, but it might come back to here. So if I average down, I can get out of here. That's really not what we're trying to do, because at the end of the day, you don't know where this next low is going to be made. It might just do something like this and just continue all the way up towards your total stops and just take you out completely. And again, the probability that you get wiped out on the double position is a lot higher, bearing in mind that you know it's a bad position already. So what you're doing when people average down into trades is they're most likely taking 2, 3, 4 positions, trying to escape that bad position because they know that it's a bad position. If you already know it's a bad position, you should be out of it. You should just close it and cut it and be cold in your trading. I think a lot of it comes from ego. You know, a lot of the people that I see that are taking 4 or 5 positions in drawdown, they want to be 100% right. They want a win streak. They want a high win rate. It's not. That's nothing to do with trading. That's only to do with ego. That's pure ego. It doesn't matter if you're wrong as a trader. like, again, I said this yesterday, I'll say it again, but I'm happy to be wrong right now on anything that I say, because as long as I'm protecting my capital, if I'm wrong, that's not a problem. Whereas if you're, your main goal as a trader is to protect that capital. It's not to be right every single time. So as long as I protect my capital by closing trades early, if they're, if I think that I'm wrong, or, letting winners run, but I'm not protecting my capital by doubling down on a bad position just to try and escape and be correct. So for me, the reason why I don't do it is firstly because I'm removing the ego from my trading and trying to be more, emotionless. Secondly, it's the most profitable thing to do. Because imagine, yeah, like sometimes you can escape at break even, sure, but imagine that one trade where you have 3 positions and you hit stops on all 3 and it wipes out the last 6 months of your trading. Like imagine the way you feel after that. And you'll think to yourself, shit, I was only in 10 pips draw now, and why didn't I just close full? Why didn't I just manage my risk? I know for a fact that there's some traders that have averaged down into positions and they've wiped out, 6-7 months of trading and they still never made it back. So you just need to be careful with it and just understand that the most important thing you can do here is to manage your capital, protect your downside. Because that's the number one goal as a trader, right? It's not to make money, but to protect your downside. And yeah, that was deep talks with SG. But yeah, no, hopefully that should make sense. I mean, look, that is genuinely the thing that changed my trading the most. I think I'll go back to one position and hire my lot size on that position and see if it works. Yeah, I think so, bro. There's nothing wrong with also, the thing that I'm working on next as well is like doubling into winning positions as well. So you can stack on your winning positions. For example, like stacking in profit, I think is very valid, because a lot of the time, again, you have to understand it's a different mindset. It's a shift in your mindset going from trying to be right every time to just trying to make money over time. So, I don't care if the next trade loses, the next trade wins. It doesn't matter, as long as by the end of the month, the end of the quarter, the end of the year, I'm profitable. That's all that matters, And yeah, if you are starting to stack on your winning positions, that means you're most likely confident in your position, and as well as that, you're most likely, going with the trend. You're most likely in the correct direction where the market's going, and so your likelihood to hit a take profit is a lot higher. Look, 15-minute closed above, by the way. Bullish market structure here. What's good, DT? How's it going, man? I'm very good. How are you? Very, very good. How can I find myself that I'm profitable? If you start making money over a couple of months, then you're profitable, right? Realistically, over a few years, but profitable just means you're making money consistently, right? Good, Eugene. Chilling, trying to be better every day. Yeah, good stuff with DT. That's a good mindset, man. Yeah, so look at this. We're making some bullish market structure here, which is great. We are closing back above the level on the 15 as well. I don't want to take anything just yet. I'd rather wait for at least like a 30. But yeah, I do see us tapping into realistically 27.11 at some point today. So that's what we'll look for here. No positions right now in this current 15, but 30-minute could print something nice for us here if we do close bullish above. If not, obviously we do have the 4-hour close after that, so you have to be a little bit careful, but I think that should be something that we can take advantage of. There's a lot of potential for positions this morning, so make sure you guys stay focused, stay locked in with us. Drop a like if you haven't already. Let's see if we can take something nice here in a couple of minutes time. Someone else asked me a question. I think I missed it. Oh, I lower my lot size because of multiple positions, so now if I take one, I can go a little higher on my lot size. That makes sense, Dan. I think that's not too bad then. If you're stacking positions and lowering your lot size to adjust for that, that's okay. But it's when people stack like lots and lots of positions with the same lot size and now they're over risking, that's when the real issue is. But yeah, I guess if you're factoring it in and lowering your lot size, then it's not too bad. That's just called averaging into the trade, right? Averaging into a trade is not a bad thing. I think that's a very valid strategy, but averaging down once you're already in a position by stacking more is definitely not good. That's two different things, to be fair. One thing that I wouldn't do is if you split your positions in half, don't double the pips that you get on your journal just because it helps your ego out. Yeah, I did that and lost 2 accounts because the lot size was too high in stacking. Yeah, bro, it's not sustainable. This is why all the streamers that promote like stacking hella positions, I think is very irresponsible because a lot of people will blow accounts doing that. It's Formatic, bro. Malenko. I wish it was rear-wheel drive. Smell here some profitable traders. Crazy. Abdullah, what's good, man? It is irresponsible? Yeah, 100%. I once did blow an account by stacking. So many people have blown accounts by stacking. It's just not good. It's off-topic question, petrolhead syndrome. I know, bro. I'm trying to get it tuned in the next week, but the company that I was going to don't have the technology to tune the car that I have for some reason. Learned a lot for it, so not the biggest deal, but never do it again. That's the thing, chat. You can make as many mistakes as you want in trading, just only make the same mistake once, right? Once you make a mistake, you should never really make it again. So once you over risk and blow an account, you should never do it again. Once you over trade, you should never really do it again. You know, you can allow yourself to make every mistake once, but no more. And that's how you really realistically progress, right? Keep yourself disciplined enough to say, all right, fine, I made this mistake once. I'm not going to allow myself to make that mistake again. It's now a lesson, and moving forward, I'm a better person. Very easy. I do enter a second time when it's pretty close. It's when it's pretty close to stops. That way, if it stops, then it's not much extra L. But if it does turn around, you benefit off of it. Yeah, I think realistically, the only way I would double down into a position is essentially if I move my stops. So like I've done this before where, you know, let's say I'm in a position here. Let me fix this. Where's my stop loss? Alright, okay, that's better. So yeah, let's say I'm in a position here, right? And my stop loss was below the range. The only way that I would add another position is if I did something like this, like another position here, and then move my stops higher on both positions so that my risk would be lowered. You know what I mean? I would lower my risk on both positions if I was stacking. So I wouldn't keep my initial stops like this. I would essentially just lower my risk and say, like, if it breaks that low, I'm gone anyway, but I'm gonna take another entry. That's okay, that's valid in my opinion, but you can't have the same stops. It's just not viable. And you can't go into a trade as well expecting to stack more positions. Look at this though, we flipped after tapping into the level. Very interesting here. Very, very interesting. We should have clean traffic all the way to 2610. So, I mean, hopefully we don't drive all the way. That's insane. It just popped up here like crazy. 5 minutes got no top and bottom wick on the next one as well. So, very difficult, chat, to do anything here. No trades for me right now. We do have a 30-minute close here in about 8 minutes. As long as it doesn't fill this range, we should be good to go. So stay locked in here. 8 minutes is not a long time to wait, and the questions are popping in anyway. Ego and pride need to go when trading. Both are emotion-based. Yeah, bro. 100% ego, pride, fear, and greed. All of those 4 are like the killers in trading. Ego is the biggest one, to be honest. Like, it's literally ridiculous. It will take everything away from your trading. It will literally, you know, the opposite of what you need to do is what ego teaches you. Be careful with chip tuning. It may cause damage to the engine if it's not properly tuned, and also it can cause more smoke from the exhaust, but definitely a good feeling after the tune. Yeah, bro, I feel that. I hear that. It should be good though. $2025 TRLS takeover? Yeah, undoubtedly. Undoubtedly, bro. 100%. Mr. West, what's good, man? How's it going? I said jinkies. Doinks. Yeah, my stops doesn't give me enough room to add a pineapple. Yeah, that's the thing as well. So like obviously recently our stops have gone from like 20 to 30 pips, like max. My average stops now are like 25 pips, so I've got no room for second position realistically. What question should I be allowed to ask here? Is it allowed to ask signals here? I don't know what you mean. You can ask any questions you want. It's just whether or not I'm going to answer them. But yeah, you can ask whatever you want. Signals, I mean, yeah, we take trades on stream, so that's technically a signal. If you want to join the signals though, there's the link that's just been sent in right there by Raze. I usually take a 0.1 position, and when I reach halfway to TP, I take a partial of 0.05. Yeah, that's fair enough, bro. 4-hour resistance at 06. What's your thoughts? Oh, I think it's actually lower. Oh wait, unless it's another one. This is, oh yeah, no, it is actually higher. You're right. This is, the gaps always freak me out. You're right. It's 07. So at the minute we still have room towards it. But the thing is as well, even when you did reject off this area, you still came and tapped into 2710 anyway. Like, I'm very, very certain that 2710 needs to be tapped today at some point. I don't know whether it's going to be now, New York session, news, whatever, but I think it should be tapped. And realistically, with us closing into this range, oh my days, bro, the stops are now massive. I didn't realize we just ran that far. We just pushed up like, what, 40 pips on this? Yeah, crazy. 45 pips on this 15 minute? That's crazy. 25 pip stops is great. Yeah, it's been such a good change in the trading, to be honest. Like, ever since I've started getting smaller stops, like 25, 30, 40, 45 pips is like a maximum for me. Like 20 to 25 pip stops. We've even had someone like 15 pip stops. It's 10 times better. Your risk to reward is insane. The biggest loss I've taken on this new account that I opened, the challenge account, is like, what is it, 12 pips? Something like that. And that was actually a slippage. Yeah, like, honestly, it just helps out so much, because even when you do take that loss, you know, the loss doesn't hurt too much. And also, like, now if you're closing at 20 pips, you're close to a 1-to-1. Like the trade we had the other day at 32 pips was above a 1-to-1. And yeah, it's just, I don't know, it makes it a lot easier to stack accounts, especially to scale accounts, right? Because if you're taking positions with massive stops, obviously once you take that loss, you're not going to be able to, you know, recover it back for a long time. Whereas one loss by me is getting recovered within the next trade. Cool. All right. Yeah, 4 minutes into the 30-minute close. I want to see a retracement, to be honest. The 5 closed bullish, but it doesn't have a bottom wick. So either we're going to fill the range here, or you might be good to see a pullback, depending on what we want to do. I like that you did that, Mr. SG. Did what? Supply and demand really helps a lot, combining with support and resistance, gives tight stops. Yeah, I mean, realistically, it's all the same thing. Like, it all plays into the same thing, to be honest. I know it's not technically the same, but they all sort of work out to be somewhat similar. You place a trade? No, bro. You'll know if I place a trade. You know if I place a trade. It's very obvious. I wouldn't just do it without without fucking telling everyone. Imagine I was just secretly in a trade right now. There's no right or wrong way of trading. It's as simple as that. It's very true, bro. I've always said this from the very beginning, which is why I always had beef with the ICT community. It's less now, but if you are making money consistently as a trader, it doesn't matter how you trade. You could have a 0.00001% risk to reward. It doesn't matter. You could have a 10-to-1 risk to reward. As long as the only thing that matters in trading is over a period of years and months or whatever, are you consistently making profit? And if not, then you should probably change something. And if you are, then okay, fine, good. I don't care how anyone else trades. I only care how I trade and whether or not my trade is working. And obviously it is, so that's fine. my strategy wasn't working, I'd probably switch it up. But if someone comes to me and says, yo, you can't trade that way because you've got negative risk to reward, but I can see my account balance over, you know, the last couple of years going like this, upwards. Why would I change anything just because someone else said that's not how trading works? No, it's not. It doesn't make any sense, right? You can trade however you want as long as you're making money. Tell him SG. I will, Mr. West. I will. Start preaching soon. Have Eugene in the background like a gospel choir. Yeah, nice. Eugene, you seem very energetic today. Bro, he's always energetic. When is he not? Cat, 1 minute, sorry, 40 seconds here till the 30-minute close. If we can come down with a bottom wick, tapping into 2700, will be very, very nice for some positions here, to be honest. Very nice. I'd love to see us retest the level, though. I kind of think you already have, but we can retest this area one more time on a 30-minute bottom wick. We'll see. But that'll be a clean trade. And if it does flip, we've got runners all the way until 2710. What's good, MB? Your strategy on SR seems simple. Is that because of the time frame? Yeah, it is very simple. Like, I think trading needs to be simple in order for it to be effective. But you know, there's a lot of nuances. We use a lot of different time frames. We read a lot of price action. So, I mean, look, it is simple, but I think that's a good thing, to be honest. Chat, the 30-minute needs a top wick, though. The 30-minute closes no top wick. Absolutely niche I can do. Need to see a pullback in the last minute here, chat, if we're going to get anything. Otherwise, it's going to be an hour. Oh, no, we'll wait for the 15 afterwards, probably. Or the 5 even. But I need to see a top wick. Could be chalked. Gold's doing that thing where it just steadily creeps up, right? $30-minute. It did leave some sort of a wick. So let's see if we can come down and tap into like 2702, 2701, somewhere like that. Tops are a bit large there. 2701.5. We'll look at an entry. Let's see what we can do here, chat. 7-pick wick. Is it? Oh yeah, it's like... Yeah, it's like 6 pips. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad, you're right. I need to see a big bottom wick there. 2701.5. We're like 30 pips off, so it might be a long shot. Let's see. It would make sense though. That'd be quite a clean retest. Let me just put a level here. Somewhere around here, right? That gives you... Stops would be 40 pips. Chat, that's very, very nice. Let's see what we can do. 120 pip stops? No shot, bro. 40 pips. Stops would be below the previous 30. If we break that, it's not ideal, so... Yeah. Start placing a trade? Crazy. Go, 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 go! Quick, you're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it. FOMO, quick, now. Everyone FOMO in. Oh. No, don't flip yet. Don't flip yet. Not yet, gold. Come on. I don't really want the flip entry. Stop to... Not ideal on that, unless you use current candle, but I don't trust it. I think we need to come down further. So chat, I'm going to wait on the wick entry here, to be honest. Oh my god, it could flip without... Yeah, it could flip without us. Quick. Oh, chat. Funny times. Chat, listen. We're very close to a position here. If gold can come down a little bit further towards 2701.5, we'll be in buys. But listen, drop a like before you... Or you. Drop a like before we do. If we can get to 50 likes before the entry, that'd be ideal, chat. A lot of opportunity, a lot of potential. So yeah, let's see what we can do here. See if gold's on our side. Obviously, if the entry doesn't form, then it doesn't form, right? But we'll see what it does. I think there's a lot of potential here. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, it might be gone. Might be gone. Re-breaking the highs. FOMO. FOMO in now. Everyone FOMO. FOMO quick. FOMO in. Don't actually FOMO in, by the way. Imagine someone's like, oh shit, SG said FOMO in. I'd rather wait, lol. Yeah, of course, bro. Of course we're gonna wait. I'm just joking. It's just a bit of sarcasm. Yeah, chat, look, there's a lot of opportunity here, but we do have to wait for some nice little positions. Isn't the 1 wick big enough? I mean, it is, bro. You could take the flip realistically, but you'd have to use current candle stops, which is not as valid right now because we didn't make that big of a bottom wick. So if you wanted to use like the real stops, it's gonna be below here, and I'm not trying to do that. Stops to be big, yeah. I call it a year. Yeah, West. I think that's the move, to be honest. Hearing a payout? Opinions? What do you mean opinions? Yeah, good. Of course, bro. Of course, bro. Yeah, secure that payout. Thinking about calling it a week. Securing a payout. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, bro. Well, how much are you up? Actually, no. 2.5%. Yeah, bro. Take that shit right now. Take that shit right now. That's 2.5 bandos. You can be like that kid from the rug pool. Fuck you. Thank you for the 30 bandos. Yeah, nah, good shit, Race. Request it. Take that shit and post it on the profit channel. Yeah, exactly. Do that. Do that, Race. Post it in the members chat. Yeah, love you too, Mr. Race. What's good, Jar? Big man's back. Let's get it. Stellars are on, Race. Crazy. Bro's really splashing the cash now with the Stellars. Able to request on the 21st? That's fine. Race, either trade your small account or get a bigger account. Get another 100k or something. Or just trade a live or something. You don't have to call it a week. Like, you got hella patience to be able to do that. I don't think I could do it, to be honest. And not trade for like over a week. I got 10Ks, I'll trade on them. Yeah, do that, bro. Not a bad idea. Chat, look, we're pushing back down here. We didn't break the high as well, so that means there's probably some opportunity for us to grab these buys here. If we can come down and tap into 2701, that would be ideal. Down payment on a rollie? Where the hell are you financing a rollie? Bro, what? Private group, where do I sign up? Jar, I said this to you yesterday, bro. You're already in it. I already gave you access, bro. You said in the private group, where do I get access to the private group? Yeah, let's see, chat. Can we push down a little bit further? Let's see. Oh, chat, this could be good, you know. 5-minute no bottom wick or something at the bottom of the range would be really, really clean here. I just want to see this retest. The fact that it has a top wick is a little bit concerning, to be honest. It's not the best, but I do think we probably will come up to re-break that high at some point. You also could wait for the 4 hour here. You got 22 minutes, so it's not a bad option either. I do want to see how it reacts though. I'm an old man when it comes to this shit. You're good, bro. Don't worry. You're good. Bro, Eugene's always out here begging for money. This guy's got cash too. Love this community. Yeah, bro. I love this community too. I can't lie. It's such a sick community we have here. It's such an incredible community. Everyone wants to see everyone win, which is what the most important thing, right? Chat, if you're not in the Discord already, it's completely free, but make sure you join it because, again, it's such positive vibes. Everyone's trying to help each other level up. Everyone's asking questions, answering them. Like, genuinely, the most helpful Discord I've ever seen. Yeah, I think, honestly, such a good community. So wholesome, so positive. If you want to become a profitable trader, you don't have to buy shit from me or anything like that. Just jump in the free Discord. It's going to help you out more than anything. Jump in there and ask a few questions. And, yeah, someone's going to help you out. It's either going to be me if I see it, or it's going to be someone else, one of the mods, or just someone else who knows the answer, right? Which is such a huge thing to have. It's basically like a network of 7,000 traders. It's ridiculous. Can you send me $20, please? £20, please, Eugene? Bro, Eugene still owes me money, so you can't expect him to send you money. He'll be like, what? What? No, I don't. 5-minute bullish? Yeah, this is interesting, to be honest. Owe me money. Eugene, you know that's not the truth. Yeah, we're closing bullish here on the 5-minute. So that could be the low being made, to be fair. We did tap into these previous wicks. But for me, I really wanted to see that tap of 27.01. That would have been such a clean entry. That being said, right, if the 30 reflips and breaks this high here, the likelihood is that you do continue towards the top of the range. She still owes me a bottle opener. I do owe you a bottle opener, badge. Let's see, chat. That's this 5 opening. Bottom wick first as well, right? No, no bottom wick. Oh. Oh. Oh, it did. Little Sky Dweller play on the 5-minute here, chat, if you want it. Personally, not for me, though. I'm not going to take this, but obviously you could. Have a nice little on the reflip of this. But I don't think I want that, chat. I'm going to probably wait for the 15-minute closure here. See what we can do. Oh, chat, look at that, though. Look at that. Little flipperoonie. Oh, yeah. Like the 3 guys showing how banks were. Passing around 20 and the clear 60 of debt. Yeah, trust me. 5-minute Sky Dweller play. Yeah, exactly, bro. It actually was. It was pretty clean, but again, whoa. SG, why didn't you take that? Why didn't you take that entry, bro? You should have taken it. It's going to push up now. Why didn't you take the entry, please? Why didn't you take that trade? I'm joking. We have one guy FOMO in, and I'm now making jokes entirely about FOMO. But nah, yeah, we should be good to get something here, chat. Either off the 4-hour or the 15-minute close here in about 3 minutes time. So let's see what we can do. I want to see how we're closing, to be honest. I think we do need to come down and grab some more liquidity, especially since look how far the 4 hours pushed. Like, it's pushed a long way. Once you do retest into 27.01 and then like re-break, you might not even need to do that. But if you do that, you realistically will tap into 27.10. I don't see a reason why we wouldn't. Yeah, 27.10 should be tapped. Whether it's now or later, I'm not sure. But yeah, that 5-minute onion was actually crazy. The 5-minute Sky Dweller, sorry. That's absolutely clean. Insane. Yeah, I just can't take that, chat, just yet. Let's see how the 15 closes. You got 2 minutes here. Put the Sky Dweller for 0.02 pips, W. Ah, W, bro. 0.02. Blizzy, what's good though? Welcome back, man. How you doing? My guy, Blizzy, the celebrity out here. Guy's got like 100k or whatever. Clean setup. It was alright, man. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I just don't want to take that within the 4-hour close like this. Stops were just a bit too big. Like 17 pips or what? No, I think, yeah, realistically, I wanted the wick down here at 27.01, and because I didn't get that, I didn't want to FOMO into a higher entry. Not that it would have been FOMO, but you know what I mean? Sometimes it just feels like FOMO, even when it's not. I would have gone hourly lows. Yeah, that is a bit large. To be fair. Yeah, I think I would have been tight on this 5-minute low, to be fair. It shouldn't re-break that. It realistically shouldn't re-break that low. I think those are valid stops in my opinion. Don't want to be caught in a 4-hour pullback and then hold through a 4-hour bottom. Exactly, bro. That's why I don't really want to be in this right now. Because it's pretty unpredictable what the 4 hour is going to do right now. 27.18, 4-hour resistance. I think 27.11, bro, because look at the daily. You have a strong daily level here at 27.11, and then when you drop to like the 4 hour, or is it the 4 hour or the 1? We reject off of that level every single time. Let me scroll back. Like you reject off 27.11 here, here again, but to the upside, and here. I think 27.11 is our initial stop, maybe 27.18 afterwards, but for me, I think for the first place, or for, you know, the first like tap is going to be at least 27.11. It's also a very strong daily resistance too, right? Like right here, and here as well. So you know, I'm a little bit concerned with that one. We'll see though. 27.17 too. Mr. F now, what's good, bro? How you doing? Blizzy, how was your trading yesterday? I got no trades yesterday. I had a trade this morning pre-London. We took a nice little 15 pip win. But yeah, yesterday I got absolutely nothing because price action just wasn't the best yesterday, to be honest. That 15-minute closing here in about 26 seconds. Let's see what we can do here. It looks like we might close doji. 5-minute might reflip here. I mean, we'll see. Learning trading whilst I'm on holiday. Yeah, bro. Trading whilst you're on holiday is elite. I think you'll actually be more profitable on holiday than you will when you're back home. Whether it's, I don't know what it is, but whether it's to do with like the relaxed mindset or the fact that you're totally focused on that. I don't know, bro. For me, I always trade better abroad. Okay, chat. 15-minute closed doji here. Bearish doji actually as well. So that's a little bit interesting. Top wick first as well. For me, there's nothing I can take right now. I will most likely have to wait till this 4 hour. Traded NQ CPI news was pretty good. I just put a buy stop on the flip when it dipped a bit. Easiest money. Yeah, W, bro. That sounds good. That sounds like a good little setup. Hope this 4 hour pullback. The sun makes you trade better. Yeah, that's why I'm moving to Cyprus, bro. So I can like, or maybe moving to Cyprus. Moving to a hot country at least, so I can get some more sun and shit. Look at the weather. I don't know if you guys can see right now. The weather outside. Bro, it's so foggy. Like, literally, I can't really see past the end of my garden. It's pretty mad. Dead weather here too. Yeah, but you're... Bro, it's gonna be cold as fuck there, no? I need the sun. Yeah, I hear that, bro. I can imagine that trading in the sun is the best for profitability. So easy to stay patient if you're just enjoying the vibe. Yeah, bro, I think I agree. To be honest, it's all about mindset, right? It's all about mindset. So, you know, if you're in the sun, if you're in a nice place where, you know, again, everything comes to mindset. If you're struggling for money, you know, if you can't pay your bills and shit, trading's going to be very difficult. But if you have like an abundance mindset, if you're a bit more comfortable, if you're in a nice area, maybe it's cheap cost of living, you're going to be able to trade way better just because there's way less pressure on you. You don't need to pay, you know, the bailiffs off or anything like that. You know, you can think with a lot more of your, you know, logical reasoning rather than your emotions. And that's going to allow you to trade, you know, exactly how you should do, right? You should be trading with logic rather than your emotions. So being able to put yourself in that mindset, put yourself in that situation, you know, your environment, whether that's, you know, just by having a job that pays your bills or secondary income that pays your bills, whatever it is, if you can do that and give yourself the best opportunity to trade, best environment, the least pressure, you're gonna have such a higher chance to be profitable, like 10 times higher. Waiting for the 1 hour now? Yeah, most likely, bro, to be honest. Most likely. Yeah. What's good, Geordie? How's it going, man? What's poppin'? Yeah, this is ripping. Absolutely ripping right now. But as long as this 4 hour can pull back, we should have some good opportunities here. You are tapping into that resistance, though, which is a bit of an issue. But I think regardless of whatever we do here, you are going to tap into 27.11 right now. There's no reason for it not to, right? Every single time you close where we are right now, you've tapped 27.11 without fail. So we should expect the same to happen. We just need to see if we can pull back in the last sort of 10 minutes here. We can. I know we've made some bullish structure. We actually have made a low here, which might make it very difficult. But if we can sort of pull back, do something like this, and then continue up, that'd be ideal. So we'll see, chat. We'll see. Trading with emotions isn't bad. You just gotta place your intuition in the right place. Yeah, bro. I think realistically, it is kind of bad to have emotions. Intuition is a good thing. Like on the podcast on Friday that I was on, I was talking about how intuition is a good thing in trading, and you should listen to your intuition, which is true. But at the same time, you know, you're never going to get rid of your emotions. You know, everyone knows, you know, you're never going to become a robot. As humans, naturally, we are emotional. You just have to learn to distinguish between making emotional decisions and having emotions. You can have emotions, and that's fine. You know, you can be in the trade, and you could have, you know, fear, or you could have greed. And then you can say to yourself, okay, but I'm not going to let those emotions actually, impact my decision making. I'm going to make my decisions through logic, through reason, through price action, what the market's showing me right now. As long as, you know, you don't let your emotions be the thing that drives those decisions, then you'll be fine. Just make sure that logic is the reason behind all of them. But like I said, you're never, ever going to get rid of your emotions. So learn to utilize them and learn to understand how to make decisions outside of those emotions. Holy shit, I'm clip farming like crazy today. How long did it take your live stream to grow? I'll make you get some good clips, don't worry. Hey, thank you, Blizzy. So to grow, bro, I've been streaming for like a year. My live stream was actually relatively big straight away, and then we got like shadow banned and everything, so it sort of dipped down. But in the middle of this year, like June or like May time ish, we were doing like 250 viewers on one stream. Like live at one point, but obviously the shadow ban came in, hit us a little bit, but now we're starting to stack it back up a little bit. Yeah, we got nerfed. They knew how much value we were giving, and they decided to nerf us. What's good though, Elevate? Welcome, man. Hey, people, give a like. That's the minimum we can do. Hey, thank you, CEO. Yeah, chat. Let's try to get to 60 likes on today's stream right now. Yeah, I appreciate it massively. There's over 90 of you in here right now, so it means a lot. Just, yeah, drop a like. It really does help out. Like I literally just said, we are just coming off the back of a shadow ban. I think we still might have a little one. So let's see what we can do. The support you guys give really does help out like massively. But every little bit of engagement means the world to me. Thank you guys for the support as well. Long Friday stream? Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. Bank holiday on the 20th. Oh, is it a US bank holiday? Interesting. Is it a UK one too? Or what? Let me just check. Uh-oh. So it's not even a bank holiday. Mr. Ray's just sold me some misinformation there. Bro spreading far right disinformation. No, it's a USD bank holiday. Yeah, it is. No, but since it's only a USD bank holiday, I'll still stream London, because London should be unaffected, right? So we'll still stream on Monday. We're all good. How many live viewers did you have watching in your first 5 months? I don't know. I think we had like 100 or something. 80, around there. Starting to pull back. a little bit here. How do you know you're shadow banned? They just stop showing your content to any of your viewers. And your views drop, obviously. Yeah, it's what it is. I don't like to talk about it too much because obviously we focus on the positives around here, all positive mindset. And I'm happy for the community that we have anyway. I don't care if it's, 50 people that turn up every day or 500. As long as the community is happy, everyone's vibing, we're all helping each other win. At the end of the day, we're all just trying to make it as traders. Everyone's trying to level up. Everyone's trying to get to that next target of theirs, their next goal. So as long as there's a few of you that turn up every single day, lock in with us, which there obviously is, and I'm happy, man. I'm happy to go. How many are in your community? In the free Discord, we have about 7,000 members. Yeah, so quite a few, man. Chat, 6 minutes here. Look at the 4-hour pulling back as well. A lot of opportunity here forming. This could be perfect. As long as it doesn't pull back now and then reflip by the time it closes, which it loves to do sometimes. But nah, if we can, if we can pull back now, close with a top wick, open with a bottom wick, yeah, we're good to go. Really good to go. Mod me fast. Crazy. The most aggressive mod ask I've ever seen. Fast as well. What's good, Fast? How you doing, man? Quality, not quantity. Yeah, Ben, exactly, bro. Exactly that. 100%. Let's see, though. Can we get in a position here? I think we got 6. Yeah, we got 6 minutes left. So I think there's a lot of opportunity for us. No, I think there is a lot of opportunity for us. But let's just see how it forms. Again, I would like to see as a minimum a tap into this 2701 area. 2701.5, 2701 flat. Somewhere around there. You can do that and then reflip. We should be good. Otherwise, on the 4-hour, wick entries get a little bit difficult because stops are ginormous, right? There's no way I'm taking stops anywhere near that. Even the 1-hour, the stops are a little bit large. So if I was going to take a wick entry, it'd be off that 2700 level. Or 2701. But yeah, my stops would need to be below the previous hourly, not below the 4-hour, which is a little bit difficult. But I mean, you should be good off that, to be honest. 5 minutes, chat. Lock it in. Lock it in here. What I don't want to see, though, and what you might see, to be honest, and what I've been seeing a lot recently is, 5-10 minutes before the closure, we'll start to pull back. And then as we're closing, we'll actually be pushing back up. And that's when you get like no top wick, no bottom wick, just straight pushes. So for example, the easiest way to think about it right now is this 5-minute candle could be making the bottom wick already. It could already be the bottom wick for the 4-hour. I'm going to start to sample size that position where the 5-minute before makes a bottom wick. But I don't have the data on it yet, so obviously I can't take anything. But I've seen it a lot because it'll pull back. Obviously, the market doesn't really understand whether or not, there's a 4-hour closure or a 1-hour closure. It doesn't think about it the same way as us. It's just time and price, right? So, it doesn't know that it's pulling back just before the close. So it's essentially still a liquidity grab, but it's not in the form of a wick, if that makes sense. Let's see chat though. Lock it in. 4 minutes here. Bro. You guys really locked it in, eh? You guys went silent. Nah, it's good, it's good. We're all locked in here. So, yeah, tap into there would be great. This looks clean, chat. This looks very, very clean. Again, you've got decent market structure here. You need a low to be made, right? You do need a low to be made. But once you've made that low, you should be good to continue back all the way up towards 2711. Like we said from the start, it should be tapped. If we look left, every single time we're tapping into 2711 up here. Tapped it here. Or 2710, but around that area, right? We're tapping into the top of the range every time we close up here. Same thing here. I think that's the last one, right? Yeah. Same thing every single time, right? Locked into the coffee machine. Crazy. 30's closing bearish. Yeah, that's not too much of an issue, bro, to be honest. This 30 closed bearish too. Like the 30's. Yeah, it is a factor, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, You know, the 4 hour and the 1 hour are bullish, very bullish. So for me, that's not too much of an issue here. If the 30 could close no bottom wick, even better, but I don't think it will. Chat, stay locked in. I'm going to be back in 2 seconds, yeah? Alright, man, we're back. We're back. Okay, so you are flipping back up, like I said, right? That's not what we want to see, to be honest. I want to see a continued push down, but it's a bit tough here. A little bit tough. Let's see. Alright. I mean, look, there's some opportunity here, chat. Don't get me wrong, but I need to see a decent pullback here if I'm going to grab anything. If it starts to run now, which I think it might, yeah, it's going to. That's going to be very difficult, chat. I'm not going to be done at 10, though. I'll stay on for the next, like, 30 minutes, 1 hour close as well. Of course, it has to run just before, eh? It has to run just before. 30 minutes now, flip bearish. Bullish, sorry. 5 minutes pushing up. Yeah, gold is not playing ball here. Not playing ball at all. Oh, yeah, that's very difficult. In fact, yeah, like, wait, we'll see. I don't want to say anything just yet. Looks like we might close no top wick. It genuinely looks like we might. Oh. We pulled back. That's good. Okay. Okay, that's step number 1. Can we make a bottom wick now? Decent bottom wick is needed as well. And came down like 2 pips. If it flips here, chat, which it looks like it's going to. Let's see. I'm gonna stop trying to predict what it's at. Like, not stop trying to commentate this candle. Just see what it does. Yeah. As long as it doesn't break this high first, we should be good. If it can come down and make a decent bottom wick, that should be enough for me. But I don't know if it's going to here, especially with that structure. 5-minute structure is probably the low that we made here to continue up. All right, Louis, in a bit, bro. See you later. Can we pull back, chat? It looks like the answer might be no. I'm going to stay on for a little bit longer, right? I'm going to wait till at least like the next 30-minute close, I think. Because I do think there's a lot of potential. Like I said, I think 2710 is going to be tapped into as a minimum. Oh, there you go. See? Little flip down, not too bad. Outside the gym because my key card didn't work? No way, bro. That is tough. Break through the door. Bit of volume coming in now as well, chat, which is good. Bit of volume on that push down. 1 minute, no top wick. 11 at night, just trying to hit the gym, and I get this. Yeah, that is tough, bro. Can you wait for someone else to pull up? I don't know if anyone will, but I used to do that at my other gym. Just wait for people to fucking turn up and then just go in the door with them. That is fucking, oh, that's tough, bro. Chat. Oh, reflipped. I don't like this fuckery, to be honest. What is that gap? That's insane. A 1 minute gap is mad. We need to come down a lot further if I'm going to consider buys, chat. Like, we need to come down and tap into at least like 0.3, preferably, like I said, 0.1. That's realistically what I want to see here. I want to see this nice pullback. And again, I do think you will see it because market structure is telling you that, look, we made a high, higher low, now another higher high. Now we need to make another higher low before we continue up. But whether or not gold wants to play ball, that's the question, right? We're sat here waiting for it. If it does play it into our hands, then great. If it doesn't, then also great. You know what I mean? So be it. So look, just stay patient for a while. As long as we can push down here, we'll have an entry, most likely. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, whilst I do have you here, by the way, if you do want to get a funded account, make sure you use code SG at ATG. It's going to give you 20% off all accounts, including the one-phase accounts. So actually, I like the one-phase accounts, I can't lie. But yeah, make sure you utilize that discount code as well. Save yourself some money. We're pushing up. How's the 5 minute going to close? It's very like, you know, gold right now is trying to make a decision. You can see whether it doesn't know yet whether it wants to push up or push down. So again, we have to wait for it to make that decision. Once it makes the decision, then good, we can jump on the wave. But until then, yeah, it looks like we might fly up, to be fair. That broke the highs just there. Tough. Might be gone, chat. Might be gone here. We'll see. Once we do get that pullback, chat, though, even if it's in like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, it doesn't matter what it is. Once we get that pullback, we'll be sat there waiting. Versatile bars, bro. What's the one of the versatile songs came on the other day on shuffle. I don't remember what the name is, but it was about stealing people's dogs. Great tune. That's me done. Gonna hit the gym. All right, catch you in a bit, man. XP, if it comes down for a pullback and makes structure, you're looking for buys to retest the highs. Yeah, MK, exactly that, bro. Exactly that. So I essentially just want to see, look, like I said, we've made a higher low. Now another higher high. I want to see this low be made, tapping into around this area here at 27.01. And then I want to see a retest of the highs up towards 27.10. But my fear is right now that this is actually the low that we made here, like this. And then we're going to just continue up like this. If that's the case, it's very difficult. But yeah, it looks like we might be gone, chat. Tough. Those buys from this morning would have been clean to hold. Actually, would they? Would have come back and tapped break even, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would have done. No, it wouldn't. My entry was like here. Oh no, it would have just, I just looked at my broker, it would have just tapped me out, so thank God that we didn't hold them. I would have been annoyed. Yeah, cool chat. Look, if we tap into 27.10, that's my advantage point for the day. That makes it very difficult for me to take anything else. Let's see. If we it looks like we might tap it in the next few minutes. Yeah, done deal season. That's what it is, bro. That is, bro, such a fucking funny song. Right, I actually rate Versatile very highly. That's buy sell side. Okay, crazy. Yeah, I didn't get the context behind it. That makes sense. All right, 52 minutes till the hourly close. Obviously a long time, chat. So we're not going to wait for that, but we will see what this general price does. To be honest, you are ripping up though. I'm almost 100% certain we tap into 2710 here. Obviously, you can never be 100% certain, but you get the vibes. Chat, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe. We take trades every single day. Or not every single day, but we trade every single day, right? We're live on stream every single day, looking for trades and answering any questions, right? Again, if you do want to be a profitable trader, this is where you need to be completely for free. Obviously, join the Discord, all that good shit. And yeah, man, listen, 2025 is going to be an incredible year. It's going to be truly insane. I have such a good vision for this year. I genuinely have such a good feeling. Going into like December 2024, I was having constant visions of 2025, constant, you know, I don't want to say premonitions, but, you know, constant manifestation and, yeah, visions of what 2025 would be like. And I think it's going to be the best year yet. I know it's going to be the best year yet. It's going to be incredible. So, stick around, lock in with us. And yeah, if you stay here for a long time, you don't even need to buy shit as well. That's the best thing about it. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to pay anything. Turn to the streams every single day. Join the Discord for free. And you can become profitable just by that. Like, where else can you get that? I don't really understand anywhere else doing that. So, listen. Stay locked in with us. With TRLS, you are gonna make it. Just stay locked in. Come ask questions. And there's no shot that you don't make it, man, honestly. Honestly. In a bit, done. Yeah, in a bit, bro. Best in the game. Hey, thank you, Ben. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, it was a weird feeling this morning. I took a really early trade. I'm never normally up that time. I can't lie. I was in bed. I saw a text from Kata. Kata literally said, yo, look at gold right now. I saw it. I was like, oh, shit. Let me load up my PC. Loaded it up. And then the trade formed and we took it. So during the signals, this morning's trade is thanks to Kata. Yeah, you owe me cash. You gotta thank that guy. Yeah, 5-minute close bullish here. Seems as if we're going to continue up. 10% off every dub of signals. Please, thanks, chat. No shot. Tapping into the levels though, chat. You did have a a resistance here at 2706 on the 4 hour around here. But realistically, I think we're just going to push straight through it, to be honest. Oi, what are you oiing at? Mr. Noodle Holtz. By the way, I forgot to say hi. What's good, Noodle Holtz? How you doing? Bro, I was shocked when I saw the signal low. I was going to take the flip, but saw you took the wick entry. W because you survived your stops. Yeah, bro. That's the thing. Like, legit as well. I had the wickest of wick entries. Like, it would have been like a 13 pip advantage point to the flip. But I got slipped on the entry again. So, yeah, it was difficult. But how we move. What's good, Mark? Our signals mainly market executions or limits and stops as well. There's no limits, but there's a lot of buy stops, sell stops. Yeah, so mostly stops. I would say like it's probably 50-50 between market execution and buy stops or sell stops. It just depends on whether I'm taking the flip or the wick entry, to be honest. And it depends, obviously, how quick price moves. But to be fair, what I'm going to start doing as well is I'm going to start giving a heads up when I'm looking for a position in signals so that people can be ready. I think that's important. 15-minute close here in 2 minutes, chat. We're quite overextended though, I'm not going to lie. We were like relatively overextended, which makes it a little bit tough. What's good, Zulu? How's it going, man? What's good? What's good? Pack this in. Two minutes, chat. Let's see what we do, actually. You guys in M-Way? Alright, Abdullah, see you in a bit, man. Yeah, chat, by the way, in case you didn't know already, the New York streams are now in the Discord. So you have to be in the private group to be in the New York streams. Obviously, London will stay free forever. But it was too tiring for me to do 2 YouTube streams a day. So I have to, yeah, I have to, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, I have to lock in with the private group. I think it's actually a lot better as well because those guys, you know, they're paying me and they deserve, like, you know, a little bit of focused attention. Well, no, they get a lot, but you know what I mean. I'm going to try and support them as much as I possibly can, right? Obviously, I'll support you guys too, but you know the vibes. Who took it? Scooby Doo, I did not take it, man. I feel like I can't even say your name, to be honest. I feel like I'm going to get a shadow ban if I say your fucking name, but we'll see. Someone needs to guide me to where the NY stream is. Jar, I'll give you a shout. Oh, wait, I'll show you. Jar, you just go to the Discord, right? And then you have the members section here. It says coaching group, right? I'm pretty sure you're in this. I sent a message in here yesterday, no? I don't know, anyway. And then you just click on this meeting room right here. I'll be in there, waffling away. Simple. OG still support all the time. Yeah, I appreciate it, F-Nam. It means a lot, bro. It means a lot. Now, listen, chat. Like, obviously, it's all entirely optional, right? Like, there's never going to be any pressure for you to join anything or pay anything or whatever. The whole point is I'm trying to provide as much value as I can for free. But it was just not mentally sustainable for me to stream twice on YouTube. Like, at the end of the day, I'd literally, after the second stream, I'd like collapse almost. Not really, but I'd be so exhausted. I had to just lay on the bed and just not do anything. Which is not sustainable. Obviously, I've got other stuff I need to do, content I need to make, etc. So that's why I had to do that. But yeah, obviously, London streams are still longer as well. So I think we're going to get more positions. It's just gold at the minute recently has been very, very tough. Gold's, yeah, I mean, during pre-London it was nice. Maybe had a setup earlier with this 5-minute Sky Dweller play. But for me, it just wasn't nice enough. I wanted to see us tap into this 2701 area. We just didn't manage to grab it, to be fair, but it is what it is. And yeah, chat, for now, I think I'm going to be done here. So I'm most likely going to call it a session right now. Yeah, I think we did absolutely kill it today in terms of like questions, analysis, all that sort of stuff was great. Chat, if you are going to dip off though, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new, by the way. It's very important. It really does help out. We're trying to get to 6K by the end of the week. I think we're about 80 subs off. So again, just make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll play a GeoGuessr quickly. And then that'll be it for the London session. I'll be back for New York with the private group. If you do want to join that, the link is right here. Otherwise, chat, I'll see you for tomorrow's London session. Same time as always. 8 AM UK time. Lock in with us. And yeah, let's play the GeoGuessr there. Time to relax a little bit. W's. In the private group. In a bit, Race. This time Gondy's not here, so I might actually be able to take a dub. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys like I don't know, 10 seconds to jump in the GeoGuessr. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna start up in 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, let's go. Ah. I have a feeling I know where this is. Nowhere near. Not even remotely close. Not even anywhere near where I thought it would be. Had a great reasoning as well, but 1 point is crazy. Now this one though, a little bit easier. If I'm honest, I'm just looking for a street sign every time. Alas, there is none. Somewhere up here, right? No, somewhere here. Oh, not even close, bro. Lithuania. That looks so German. Do you guys play casino? Uh-oh, not this guy. Bro, no. No casino. No gambling, man. Stay away from a casino if you want to be a trader. That's rule number 1. Or just full margin NFP, either one. I don't know where this is. This is definitely like Balkan, I think. I think it's somewhere here. Oh! Yeah, I'm cooked. I'll take it. I'll take it. We got better roads? Yeah, maybe. Trading is not gambler, sure you said. Ah, yeah, you're right. Nah, listen, casinos are okay. For fun, though, not to make money. If you're trying to make money from them, you're fucked. Feliz Navidad? Know what that means. Happy Easter, right? I don't know where this is, chat. Let's stick it in here somewhere. Oh, bro, I was going to guess Mexico, but I decided not to because the one before was Mexico, no? Oh, no, it wasn't. Use code SG on stake, imagine. This is the shanty town. Where is this? Yeah, where are we? Healthy Vibes Pharmacy. Jesus, I don't think there's healthy vibes there, to be honest. But okay. I don't even know if that's the right language, but I'm gonna go with it. I was the right country, just fucking miles away. Alright, chat. Well, I'll take third. Noodle Holt's taking the dub again. Fair play. Beaming Shazam. Back of the van. Your hot dog's going in the back of the van. That's such a screamer. I can't listen to it on stream. I'm going to get copyrighted. But, chat. That was a good session, to be fair. Very good, start to the morning. Good analysis, too. I know we didn't catch anything on stream, but, you have to be patient here. You have to be disciplined, and we have to... let's make sure that we're following our plan. But listen, chat, if you're trading the rest of the day, like I said, follow your plan, stay disciplined. Have a great rest of your day, chat. I'll see you guys either in the private group or for London session tomorrow. Peace out, chat. Much love, and bye-bye.